mix though. That's liquid, got the sand around the bait, yo. Specifically planned to be great, so I'ma get these pets on up to level 88. No problem, not liquid, we can solve it. Rewards infinite, can't even take it all in. Got a bunch of clouds in with me, and we're finding something empty. All the XP, I can kiss it like I lost it. I can never sit still to chase some nonsense. That's the dog way, it's not straight, but still got it. Know my pets are gonna make it through the process. LSDs to set us free while keeping gems locked in. Gonna show them, gonna show them, gonna show them all. Sticking all of it, yeah, we'll pull it off. Yeah, we got big goals, that's just what we aim for. You can bet I'm gonna talk. Yeah, I'll talk about them. Gonna show them, gonna show them, gonna show them all. Reward them, important that they know it's on.